Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, switch the main breaker off and lock or tag it, then verify 0 volts with a meter, never assume. Once confirmed, put on insulating gloves and position the stabilizer near the distribution board. This reduces cable length and voltage drop. Make a neat plan for live, neutral, and earth routing. Mark terminals on both the stabilizer and main line. Now, strip 1 cm of insulation from cables, twist strands, and tin if recommended. Then we connect the first conductor. Once the first conductor is secure, connect live to the stabilizer input terminal. Make sure the terminal screw is tight but not over-torqued. This prevents heating. Next, attach neutral and earth, keeping them separate and using ferrules for a reliable crimp. Make sure the stabilizer's output terminals map to the same phases on the main line. Install the inline breaker or fuse on the feed to protect the stabilizer, and fasten cables neatly with clips so nothing chafes or crosses hot surfaces. You can now close the stabilizer cover, remove tools, and switch the main breaker on. Watch the startup sequence and status LEDs to confirm normal operation. Once live, measure output voltage with no load first, then under typical load. Make sure readings stay within the stabilizer's specified tolerance. If readings are off, shut down immediately, recheck connections and fuses, and verify incoming mains. Troubleshooting tip: if the stabilizer trips repeatedly, suspect a shorted output or incorrect earth. Isolate loads and test one circuit at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.